Hello everyone, this is Isha Savla. I am the psychology mentor for all the first year students who want to pursue in psychology and also for those who are interested and passionate to study about the human mind. Now, psychology is a subject that is giving us a lot of insights about ourselves. And isn't it interesting to know about ourselves at our deepest level? We are aware of many things that are happening in the world, like how does a mobile phone function, what are its features, what is the latest technology. But are we aware about ourselves? No, right? So psychology is a subject that educates us about ourselves. It's human specific, human oriented subject. In this course, we will be studying about the human mind, that is, how does the human mind function and enable us to work in the real world? Second, we will be studying about the human behavior, that is the way we behave with others and also the way we treat others. Third, we will be understanding the human emotions, the emotions that we experience on daily basis. And fourth, we are going to study about the human intelligence in general. I hope you are all interested in knowing and exploring about yourself. So let's get started.